Karthik. Welcome back to my Martech channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about organic business boosting tool called Google My Business. This is like pure. You can run it as purely organic means and generate good bookings or like good visitors to your business, good number of visitors to your business by using Google My Business. You might know, like if you are listed top in the Google results, then it's like you are sure of getting much clicks to your website and thereby very good business, whether you are in lead generation or like retail sales or anything. In any business, you will get good results if you rank at the top. But the thing is, like for a local business to compete with the biggies who made like thousands of backlinks and like higher authority, it would be very difficult for you to rank top in the Google search. So the customers finding your website and reaching out to you is a remote possibility. But for a local business, there is a unique tool called Google My Business. It's like a local search. Say when a customer looks for a particular particular location for a specific requirement, say for a fitness gym in his nearby area or like a dental studio in nearby area, whichever it may be, you can optimize for the higher ranking in your local area, and thereby you can get a much higher results in terms of like customers reaching out to you through messages, phone, or like a direct visit. I will show you each and everything what are the possibilities with Google My Business in this video in detail. First, go to business.google.com. You will be shown like how you have to set up. For this demo, I'm doing with a demo setup. Just click continue. My business. I made it as whether it's choose what is your business type is like. Choose the local store. In most cases, it's like if you run a fitness gym or a studio, dental. A business category, and it will ask for the address 123 Chennai. This is your business. It will show like related business which are already listed in the Google. Just select none of this if it's brand. Make sure that you have to verify Google will verify the business, then only it will get authenticated and it should be reliable, because like not anyone can go and like get the business registered. So Google has a tight policy which you have to comply. Click continue. Once you are done with the setup, you will be like I have shown the demo account just for the setup purpose, because like there will be like verification, everything you have. I'll just skip for this steps for now, and I will show you a real business how it is yielding results for how it generates awesome results through Google My Business. First thing first, this will be the business profile manager, where you can manage your business profile, how it looks in the Google search. Before going into details of that, I will show how the local listing appears in the Google. Say this is for this one. Just wait. Let it load. This is what the local listing I detailed you about. The thing is like this will have all the options, like it will show the address, you can give a public phone number, and it will if you are the business owner, it will show all the things like how performance of your business over time. And the reviews are like customer can give reviews about your business, and this would give boost your ratings. And if most customers see a positive rating and good review, then other customers are more likely to visit your business or like book appointment with you. And let's get into the how to set up the key informations. This is how you would normally load when you are in the business profile manager. The key thing is like, one is like, if at all you want to promote your the key thing here is like getting more reviews and boosting your reputation, and thereby boosting your business. And for that you have to have a business profile URL, which you can easily share through all social media channels you have, or you can promote, or you can send it to a customer who has already visited your showroom, or your fitness gym, or like dentist, whatever the business you may be in. And then you can just for that you have to just click on this. Just click share your business profile. It will give you the link, and you can share this link, and they can directly directly see your business listing in the Google, and they can share reviews for this business. This would be very useful for them. And if at all you want specifically for the reviews, you can directly give them the review option also. This would be like /review. So when the customer opens when the customer clicks on the link, it will show like a pop-up model, and where the customers can directly type the review and just click. That would be much more easier way to get more reviews. And these are like performance metrics. I will show like this business has yielded like a 9,600 views in 8,400 or some searches, and there are like a good number of activities also. And these are all the ratings. From 4.6 ratings we have got from 178 views. And the key thing is like, you can create post also. Like occasionally you can frequently you can create post, and you keep your audience engaged. And you can add a button also to that post, like call now and learn more, and direct them to your website, or like depending on the CTA you want to prefer, you can just post. The post has to follow the Google policies, and you can add a photo also to that post. You can add a photo, add an offer, and give a start date, end date, and that's it. You can publish it. And you can say I invite customers for your event also, like a anniversary one, and other events you plan to have. This is how you can keep engaging with your customers. And the other key thing is like, just wait. Yeah, this in the info menu, you can just type out your all the informations, like if at all you run a clinic, or like a gym, or like a consultancy thing, you can just give them the address. These are all publicly available, which will be listed in the Google search. And you can show them like, these are all the timings your business would be available. And you can give a public phone number also for the customers to reach out. And you can post your website, and you can give away as much information to the customers in the Google search itself. The key thing here is customers won't feel like they are moving away from Google search, visiting a odd unknown website. They will be with Google will maintain the experience within the Google platform itself, so the customers are likely to get more information from the Google search itself, and they can click on the CTA you have provided, like send message, or like call the business right away from the Google itself. So it offers a unified experience for them, for the customers, as well as for the Google algorithm to understand your business success. So it will boost your ratings if more customers keep engaging with the business and share positive reviews and good ratings also. And I have shown you the home and the info thing, and you can just wait. This is another key thing. You can sell a product if at all you are having a local store, or you can sell a local service. For the local service, there will be like three categories. Sorry, there are like three hierarchy. One is like category, and you can have a different business category, and another one is the service. And for the service, you can have the pricing also. Say for this is the primary category is physical fitness. The other categories are like a dance school, fitness center, and within that you can add another business category also, fitness equipment wholesaler, that I can choose. And you can add but also you can add another service within the given category. You can add like kickboxing and click save. And if at all you want to give the pricing and give description about that particular service you are offering, that also you can do. Fixed price like $90, that also you can do. So this is how you can manage the services you are offering. In case of like products, you have to go through the products, and you have to share the products, and that will be listed in the Google search. And the thing is like this business is verified, and this page offers like the business in the menu. This offers like how you can see your profile, how a normal customer would like, and the status of your verification. And we have gone through most of the major things, and the two things I want to these are all really useful CTAs you have to offer. One thing is like you ensure that you give a phone number and ensure that the phone number is available for the customers to reach, because in most of the countries Google has started showing the call now button in the local business search, and the customers can directly call your business. And the other key thing is like similar to Facebook Messenger or any other messaging thing, you have a chat. People can directly chat with you, chat with your business, and for that you have to enable like chat settings, turn on chat, and then you can reply back to the customers. The thing is like you can build bots. All those things can be done. If you are proficient enough, you can build a bot, or and you can communicate back to the customers and keep engaging with them and convert them into actual buyers of your service or products. These are all the important features. These are all so effective, and it has brought us very good results for many of my clients. And just to show the performance of a particular client, I am just going to show you. Just you can type your business name and in the Google, and if you are the business owner, it will show like edit profile. Edit profile is like you can just edit the profile information right away in the Google itself. And there is another button called promote. You can link to your Google ad account and promote your business through Google Ads also. And there is another button called customers. In customers you can manage your reviews and like um, messages, all those things. And these are all the key features, but the main the most key thing is like in when you click the promote, you can just click the performance thing. It will show all the performance metrics for your business. These are like business profile interactions. And then this is like calls. Say you are getting like 38 calls and 33 calls and this much amount of calls every month. Even if you are a small business, you are for free from Google. That's how the effective Google My Business is. If you keep engaging with the customer, right, and if you get good reviews from your customers, then it can really generate very good results in terms of bookings, appointments, or like products for your local stores. And these are like the messages. And if you tell you have bookings configured perfectly, you can generate bookings also from them through this platform. And directions are like this Google search listing will appear not just in Google but also in Google Maps. It will show the performance of how many people have checked the directions for physical visit to your place from Google Maps by this listing. So you can see like for this business it's like 136 people on an average. Around 130 people visit the physical place by searching through Google. So it clearly shows the popularity of this service in the local area. This is how you can beat your big competitors who has built thousands of backlinks and boosted their Google search rankings. But in your area you can be the king with Google My Business. Do look into it and let me know in case if you have any queries. I will happy to answer all the queries. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.